Hey guys, welcome back to JK Future Tech. Today I'm gonna show you step by step how to use Perplexity AI, one of the smartest AI tools available right now. And yes, some people even say it's better than Chat GPT. So let's get started. Step 1. Visit the website or download the app. First, open your browser and go to www.perplexity.ai. You can also download the Perplexity AI app from the Play Store or App Store. Once it's installed, open it. You'll see a clean and simple interface. Step 2. Sign in or use without account. You can start using it right away without signing. But if you want to save your chat history or use advanced feature, click on sign in and continue with Google or Apple ID. Step 3. Ask your first question. Now in the search box, type anything you want to. For example, what are the best AI tool for YouTube creators? Perplexity will instantly show you an answer with a real web source listed below. That's what makes it different from ChatGPT. Step 4. Explore related question. After your answer, scroll down and you will see related question. Tap on any of them to continue your research. It's like having Google plus ChatGPT combined in one app. Step 5. Use focus mode pro tip. If you want a more accurate answer, click focus. Focus on shows an area like academic writing or Wolfram Alpha. This helps Perplexity give you a specialized and reliable result. Step 4. Use thread for long research. Perplexity save your chats as thread. You can reopen any thread, later continue the conversation or share with other. It's super useful for a student, researcher and the YouTuber. Step 7. Try this pro version optional. If you upgrade to Perplexity Pro, you get faster and deeper responses. GPT-4 Turbo integration, file and image upload, unlimited daily searches. So that's how you can use Perplexity AI step by step. It's fast, reliable and great for content creator and student alike. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to JK Future Tech for more AI tool and tech tutorials.